Check this out, guys. This is Ryan with Cars Remember When. Hey, I got a 1972 C10 Chevy here for you today. This is a really well-built truck. This is a 72 long bed. It's got a modern LS1 V8 engine in it, all aluminum with the matching Overdrive automatic transmission. You can see here it's got a bitchin' set of wheels and tires on it. You got a front disc, rear drum, power steering. I'm gonna hop in here and show you all around the truck. Excellent color combo. Got some nice sunlight here on it and it just shines. Really, really nice. You can see here that the fuel filler has been relocated to the bed, so the gas tank is no longer located behind the seat. Check out this interior. This is really nice. I love these door panels they went with. Those are just nice. Custom stitching with the inserts here. Then the two-tone on the seat. Super clean. Fires right up just like you'd expect a LS1 engine with factory style fuel injection to start and run. You can see they went the extra length there. You do have the overdrive indicator on the column. Shows 5,233 miles on the speedometer. You got tach. So these gauges look original, but I believe they are slightly updated. They work a lot better than the original ones do. And then you got battery temperature. You got a horn. Wipers. Has a nice stereo in it. You can see down there. You got kick panel speakers. I don't think I have it tuned to a radio station. Has some very nice bass there. You can feel it in the seat. Emergency brake. Turn the lights on. Emergency brake, I pushed it in and it pulls out nice. Window rolls down nice and easy, like you'd expect. Alright, there you have it, folks. Check this out. Here's your LS1 engine. You got a nice set of shorty headers on there to go along with it. There is your power brakes there, front disc. You got a power steering pump right there also. This is a really, really nice drivetrain setup in this truck. Bulletproof reliability, factory style fuel injection, overdrive, and this truck scoots. It is quick. Shifting is nice, cruises down the highway at highway speeds like no one's business. This would almost make you a great daily driver. Very comfortable also. You got LED headlights here in the front. And just check out this bodywork and paint. In the front here is just in awesome shape. See, there's a small chip right there. You know, some of the stainless has some scratches on it. Really not much to pick at though. Love these wheels and tires. See the gap here is nice all the way down. So these are a 2014 date code tire. bed here. Looks like it used to have a liner on it, and it shows its age a little bit. My guess is when they painted the truck, they probably left the bed alone. Really about the only thing to knock on this truck. Listen to that exhaust. Music to my ears. That has just the perfect note to it. Show you inside the bed. So there's your fuel filler relocated to the back of the truck. That's where you want it. You can see the bed. I mean, the bed's in okay shape. You wouldn't be afraid to haul some stuff in here. You're not going to damage anything. You know, it's got an older bed liner on it. You know, it could be changed to a newer Line-X or Rhino-Line of your choosing. But it does have this nice tonneau cover, which gives it a really nice look. So if you're interested in this C10 LS1 equipped Chevrolet, please go to our website, scroll down, there'll be a link in the description of this video, take you right to our website. About 80 plus high resolution photos, including pictures of the undercarriage, so you can check out what it looks like under there. Super clean undercarriage. And if you have any more questions or you'd like to purchase this vehicle, please give us a call. That's 720-667-2603 or carsrememberwhen.com. And while I'm standing here, I noticed this earlier, there is one small little dent right there. So keep that in mind. Other than that, it's a very nice truck. Please give us a call if you'd like to know more. Thanks.